Yo, what's up guys? My name is Frostbite and welcome to Frostbite Vlogging, and this is my second time vlogging, and we're in back of my house, our house, in my grandmother's house, and this is my cousin named Luke Daniel. Look like Baduy, Siraulo, ganun. And I'm here at the head shop this lamb, and when this phone I when I did a mistake, the phone will fail. So I'm here, the edge. See that? See that? Nagpacker, bitch. See that? Nagpacker. Huh? Okay, I'm the edge and a lot of carabao in here. I don't know what they're swimming in here or tambay at here. But I think this wood is not gonna fail because I'm an awesome man. So I'm gonna jump there because I want to be not sweat. Joke, I'm just kidding. I'm not jumping instead of having this video. And I'm here at Parangkantilan, Surigao del Sur. I'm vlogging. Yeah, I am at the river. Yeah, a lot of carabaos in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 carabaos I see. No, it's 12. Look at that. A lot of carabaos in here. Yeah. Hi! Don't come in here! I'm now... Yeah. I'm gonna back. I'm so hilo-hilo. Uh-oh. I need to jump there. If I don't jump there, the bugs in the carabaos will go to me. If I don't jump, yeah, that will happen to me. If I jump, no insect, but my foot will get wet. Know that? Okay, it's now bright, as you can see. So you cannot see my face in this angle. So I'm here. Yeah, yeah. Now my mission is to go there without wetting without basta hindi nababasa yung ano ko. Yun, ganun lang yun. Tapos, yan. Lalabaw. Lalabaw. You know that song? There's a lalabaw song. You know that? Hush your baby. Okay, I know that. It's lullaby, not lalabaw. Okay. There's a lot of bugs in there, so what the hell? I have a lot of choices. Jump over that, jump over there, jump over there. Now, where I'm gonna go? There? Nope. Okay. The carabao in here. This is the pirate ship. Sorry, man. Okay, we are now getting to another spot. Uh-oh, come on. It's a bridge, a broken bridge. Because, yeah, you see that broken bridge? Yeah. Okay, let's go to another part. Come on, Budoy. Dele. Dele. We're going to another spot where the newborn carabao, I think, or maybe an older, is in there. Oh, look at that river. A mini river. When the water is going to the river, the main river. This what they call this? I don't know, but I think that is it. Okay, look at that. Oh my. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of carabaos in here because there's a carabao in here. Hey, you newborn cow, carabao. Okay, look at that water. It's so dirty, but there's clean in there. Look at that cow, the behavior of the carabao. Mer. Look at that. Oh, the girl crossed the... Okay, come on now. We're gonna climb up and end this video. Yeah, come on. Come on, look. Bye-bye, Das. Bye-bye. Psst, psst, psst. Hoy, saan ka pupunta? Das. Ali. Itong batang to, pasaway talaga to. Look at that, the beauty. There's mining in there. I hate mining. So, I'm going there to the bridge. Oh, there's water. Ha, ha, ha. Come on here. Come here. I'll show you some tricks. Joke. I can show you some tricks. I hate this. Ouch. It's not gonna go in me. Guess some. Okay, my cousin, I left here. There, my cousin. Yeah. Ah! Come on. Okay, this is the bridge. The bridge! Look at that bridge. I'm standing in the bridge. Hey! Uh-oh. That boy. Okay, we'll end this video when I get back there to my house, to my grandmother and grandfather house, to my mother's side. Okay, let's do this. If you're happy and you know, you clap your hands. I said clap your hands. Not to be a model. Did you? Okay. It's now 7 minutes. Okay, I will stop this video for a while and I'll show you my grandmother's house. Thank you for... Okay, the mining is in there. Hope you don't like it because I hate mining. And there, but as you can see, there's a brown cup and my cousin is so crazy. Yeah, I will show you the irrigation. Wait for it. Okay, I did the awesome jump. Alright, jump over here and go to there. I'll replay. I hate replay. This is awesome jump. 1-on-1. Dere. Ali. Jump. If I don't make it, the phone will fail. So, think you should try. Go there. Wait. Watch and learn. Come here. Yeah, I made him to here. Okay, this is the irrigation, and not a lot of water, but I think it's for rice fields only. Yeah, and the bus is now getting ugly, and that girl is so fast. Okay, post. Hey, what's up, guys? I show you the slaughterhouse in here. This is the slaughterhouse. It's ugly, right? Okay, post for the grandmother and grandfather house to my mother's side. Ha! Okay, have a new hairstyle. Just joking. Post. Hi, this is my grandmother and grandfather house to my mother's side. Yeah, it's so long and huge, and It's my cousin enjoying the pens. Okay. Bye. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.